against us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text.
Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you're not and you're returning, welcome back. Today I have a beauty review. Ooh, I don't have any makeup on. Anyway, yeah, I ordered like a huge order for Fashion Nova, and they sent me a makeup box for free. So sent it to me on a whim. So it was just their choice of stuff. This is their makeup that they used, the Maven Beauty, and it was like a little random box that they sent, and so I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys so that I could show you guys what is in it. I haven't used it, I haven't opened it really. I cut it, but then I stopped and I was like, let me do an unboxing with you guys so we can see what's in this box together. So, when you open it, it looks like this. Anyway, when you open the box, that's what it looks like. Honey serving face. Booklet of what their products are. So, Maven or Maven. I hope that I'm saying this right. I hope I'm probably butchering this word. They sent this to me, so I'm gonna see exactly what I got. But it's good that I have this booklet because then I can see what I can and can't use. Hopefully, I can use everything. So this is what it looks like packaged. And let's see. Basic B eyeshadow palette. Back it says vegan on the back. It is vegan. So I got the Bold Blend Basic B eyeshadow palettes. So that's what it looks like. It's cute. I don't really know how to do eyeshadow, so if I have a palette, I can definitely practice. Oh, the colors. I don't know if you guys like it though. They're real, like, subtle. They're not too bold. The colors are kind of neutral, so I like that. Oops, soft shit. Let's see what's next. Another Basic Beat eyeshadow palette. So I got two. Really. Oh, no, it's very glittery. So I do not like glitter. Like, it's growing on me, but I used to have a really serious phobia of glitter. Like, serious on the phobia part. Story time. I think I was like 6 or 7, and there was this glitter shirt that I had from this place called Limited 2. It is now, I forgot what the name of it is now, but it used to be called Limited 2, and it had glitter on the shirt, right? I took it off. Like, I had glitter all over me. I took a shower thinking that the glitter would come off, and it wasn't. And it didn't come off for like days, and I kept finding it on places, and it was giving me anxiety. So, like, never, like, glitter just freaked me out. Like, literally, I would just go crazy. So, yeah, this palette is definitely, this palette is very spotlightish, and then be glitter based. You guys can see that, but it's definitely like shimmery and pretty. So that's cute. It's another eyeshadow palette, so I would definitely not know how to do any of that, but maybe I'll do a day where I can try it with you guys and see how it goes. So this is highlighter. It's called Draped Up. Draped Up and Dripped Out. No, that's what it says. Their highlighters they have, I'm reading the booklet, it says it has actually draped up and dripped out. Those are the names of the highlighters. So this one's all orange. I actually like the orange, it's cute. Ooh. You know what? It's so funny. This is like a rose gold. This is like a rose gold highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not gold, it's like a rose gold. I would do this video and it's nighttime, but I don't think that'll ever make a difference. I have a Fenty highlighter in Trophy Wife, which is gold. So me having a rose gold highlighter now is great because I wanted one that's not just so overwhelming and it's not just gold. Okay. Next thing is the waterproof liquid eyeliner. And I'm gonna open it. So it is black, waterproof. It's supposed to be waterproof. Don't know what this little thing is, but I'm not touching it yet because I'm not using these yet. When I do, I will show you guys what it's like. Okay. Let's see what's next. Basic Beat Cream eyeshadow. Eyeshadow's coming in this. Brûlée. Comes in this too. Kind of, I don't know if you can see it. It actually blends in with my skin tone. It's like it's an eyeshadow cream, but it's right here now. But it kind of blends in with my skin. So next, ooh, a lipstick. It is Snatched Velvet. So this is Snatched Velvet. Let's see. This is the color. It's a real peachy velvet, I guess. I don't know if that's the thing, but it's my thing. And another lipstick. This is Maven Red Velvet. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, this real grown. This one the grown and sexy. That's that one. That's that. I'm trying to get your attention. Do you see me? Okay, so now that we got all these out, the lipsticks is the first page right here, right? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5 lipsticks. They have Maven Red Velvet, which I have right here. And I have Snatched Velvet. And then they have a Buena Velvet. Then they have a Thrills Velvet. And then they have Sus Velvet. For the lipsticks, they only sent me 2, like I said. For the Basic Beat eyeshadow palettes, that's this one. They have 5 palettes. They sent me 2. They sent me the Bold Blend. They also sent me a lot of glitter. I need 2 palettes. Other than the Bold Blend and the Spotlight, they have a Define one, a Soft Blend, and they have a Medium Blend. They need the regular eyeliner, black eyeliner. It's supposed to be waterproof. They have 4 of them. They have a brown. A Mama Juana is like kind of a green, like avocado-ish green, like an avocado skin green. And then a 24K, which is kind of like a gold. It's very much so gold. Basic eyeshadow cream, which I don't know what eyeshadow cream is. Like I said, I don't know nothing about eyeshadow really. I don't really do it. So this is going to be a learning experience for me when I do use this. Says it's infused with marine lavender extract and can be used as a base for any eye look or worn alone for a naturally blend beat. Smooth over eyelids with a finger or brush. I guess I can use this to make sure that I guess the eyeshadow pops a little bit more. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, that's what I have on this Maven or Maven beauty unboxing. Like I said, I got it for free. Fashion Nova sent it to me. They completely picked all of this, so I didn't even know. I didn't pick any of these colors, any of these at all. Like, they put this in the box and put it in my Fashion Nova package, and this is what I got. So I'll do probably an application, like if I do a beauty video or something like that, like a makeup video or makeup tutorial, and I happen to use any of these products, I will show you guys in the video, obviously, and I will have them in the description below. I think my favorite was this lipstick. My favorite definitely is this lipstick. Don't know what I'm gonna use it or put it on with yet, but and you can never. I love eyeliner, so you can never have too much black eyeliner. I love eyeliner so much. Really excited about this bold blend eyeshadow, and just to try eyeshadow because I'm not really privy or up to date with eyeshadow, and I would like to like learn how to do it. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye.
Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth.